Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup EV charging invoices from EVgo for taxes, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup your EV charging invoices from EVgo for tax purposes, start by visiting the official EVgo website. Log into your account using your registered email address and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account section in the top menu. Look for the Billing History tab within your account settings. Click on Billing History to view your past charging invoices. Here, you will see a list of all your transactions with dates and amounts for each charge. Select the invoice you wish to download by clicking on the corresponding entry. After opening the invoice, look for a download or print option. Choose the PDF format for the best quality and compatibility. Download the invoice to your device by clicking the Download button. Repeat this process for any additional invoices you need for your records. Once all invoices are downloaded, organize them into a dedicated folder on your computer. Consider naming each file clearly for easy identification during tax preparation. If necessary, back up this folder to an external hard drive or cloud storage for extra security. This ensures you have access to your invoices when needed for your tax filing. Make sure to check that all invoices are complete and legible for your records. By following these steps, you can systematically, if the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.